DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to DPS TeleClass. Today, your BINDU Miss is here with English lessons. Before starting our today's lessons, let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
How are you? Let me ask you one thing. How you spent your holidays? I know that it was a really crucial time for you because of this COVID-19. No problem. We all will surely overcome this situation. Am I right? Okay. Now you tell me, you are in which grade? Grade 6 means the senior most grade. Okay. So what you have to do is you can be a model to all the other students of our school. Do you know how it is? With your behavior, with your discipline and studies. Okay. Be the best. Be the best. Always be the best. Okay. So we can start our lesson with a new topic. This is the first class, isn't it? So we can start with self-introduction. Okay? Are you ready?
Learning intention. Today we are going to learn how to give a self-introduction. Success criteria. I'll be successful if I'm able to give a self-introduction in at least 8 sentences. Self-introduction. What is this? Do you know? Just watch. A self-introduction explains who you are, what you do, and what others need to know about you. You should provide a self-introduction anytime you meet someone new and don't have a third party to introduce you, right? Right. Now we can discuss about how to introduce yourself. Can you introduce yourself? See, this is a common question you heard often in your class or in between your friends. Okay. As we can see it obviously that this question should be answered by us effortlessly without any hesitation. It's because what we are going to say is about ourselves. Then, how can you introduce yourself without hesitation? Let's discuss about it. Yes, students, now we are going to start our topic. So listen to it carefully. Shall we begin? Okay. So, we have to begin our introduction with greeting people. What you have to say? You can say good morning or good afternoon or good evening depending on the time of the day, right? Now, you can say your name, like you can say my name is, or you can say I'm, but never try to say myself and the name. Okay? Don't use myself. Say my name is or I'm. Okay? How you will say my name is Anna. I'm Anna. Just like. Now you need to say the place where you live. You can say I'm from or I live in or I belong to. How can it be? I'm from Dhuvaafaru. I live in Dhuvaafaru. I belong to Dhuvaafaru. Like that you can say. Okay. Now you have to say about your family members. It's always good to talk about your mother and father or your brother and sister. So talk about your family members. You can say my father is, my mother is, like my father is a businessman, my father is a fisherman, my father is a policeman. Okay. My mother is a housewife, or my mother is a teacher, or my mother is a nurse. Like that you can say. If you have brother or sister, you can mention and you can say whether they are younger or elder. Is that right? Fine. Now you can talk about in which grade you are studying. Like you can say, I'm in grade 6 now. I'm in grade 7 now. I'm in grade 8 now. Just like you can say. Right? Now you can talk about your hobbies before you finish your introduction. You can say, my hobbies are, you can even say, I like, you can say, I love, or I enjoy. Like, my hobbies are painting, cooking, gardening, reading, etc. Otherwise, you can say, I like football, cricket, painting, cooking, like that. Otherwise, you can say, I love reading books, listening music. You can even say, I enjoy watching films. Right? Fine. Now you can finish your introduction with a thank you. Okay? Don't forget to say a thank you. Here, there's a simple format which will help you in understanding about the topic self-introduction. Just watch. Good morning, dear friends. My name is I am years old. I'm from, I live in, I study in, I like, I don't like. Thank you. I think you got an idea about it now. Right? Now this is a detailed format about giving self-introduction. Okay, watch it. Good morning, dear friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is, see, you have to fill all these things. All these blanks you have to fill. Okay, my name is, I'm dash years old. My birthday is on, you have to specify the month. Yeah, you can specify the date also. I'm from, you have to mention the country, your country. That say for example, I'm from Maldives. I live in, specify your island, Dhuvaafaru. There are dash members in my family. You have to specify the number. They are my father, my mother, brother and sister. You can write like that. Okay. Now, my father is a, what you will write? You can write policeman, fisherman. Okay. My mother is a housewife. Yeah. Teacher. Like that. Now next. I'm a student at, you can write the name of your school at DPS, Dhuvaafaru Primary School. My favorite subject is, What is your favorite subject? You can write. My favorite subject is English. My favorite sport is. My favorite sport is football or tennis. Whatever you can write according to your choice. Next, I want to become a. I want to become a policeman, a pilot, a whatever. Okay. My hobbies are. My hobbies are painting, singing. Like that you can write. My favorite food is. You can write chicken fried rice, pasta, noodles. What is your favorite food? You can write. Next, my favorite drink is. My favorite drink is Coke. Yeah, you can write according to your choice. I like dash movies. I like Divehi movies. I like English movies. Like that you can write. Next, the most beautiful place in my country is. Which is the most beautiful place you can write according to your choice. The most beautiful place in my country is our beach. Just like you can write. Okay. Last, thank you. Okay. Is that clear for you? I think it is very much clear to you now. Okay. Here are some sample introductions. Some are very simple. Okay, just watch. Good morning everyone. My name is Hausa. I'm from Dhuvaafaru. I'm in grade 6. I love reading English stories. Thank you. See, this is really a simple introduction. Okay, anyone can write like this type introduction. Here is our second sample introduction. Listen to it. Good morning everyone. Today I'm here to introduce myself. I'm Shia. I'm born and brought up in Dhuvaafaru. I'm from a nuclear family. My father is a teacher and my mother is a housewife. I have a younger brother who is studying in grade 2. My hobbies are reading books and listening to music. I'm self-motivated and emotional too. My goal is to serve the nation. That's all about me. Thank you very much. See, this is a very nice introduction. You can add so many points. Okay, there is no problem. You can add so many points that is according to your choice. Here we have third sample introduction which is really beautiful. Okay, it's a video. You watch it.
Good morning, dear friends. Let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Anam. I am 12 years old. My birthday is on 31st October. I am from Maldives. I live in Dhuvaafaru. There are 6 people in my family. They are Haikal, Haisham, Hafiz, Mom and my dad. My father is a fisherman and my mother is a housewife. I am a student at Rayatol School. My favorite subject is science. My favorite sport is handball. I want to become a doctor. My hobby is painting. My favorite food is pasta. My favorite drink is ice Milo. My favorite day of the week is Friday. I like Korean movies. My favorite month is October. The most beautiful place in my country is the beach. Thank you. DPS TeleClass.
Now, I know you all are very much familiar with how to introduce yourself. Okay, it's time to evaluate. Okay, wait. Your task is you have to write self-introduction in your English notebook, page number 1. Also, write your full name, class and section on the same page. Okay? After that, take a photo of the page and send me on my Viber number. Then only I could give you marks. Okay? Also, dear students, you watched a video now, right? Just like the same, you have to send a video of your performance through Viber. Is that clear? You have to send the photo and the video together. Here you have your second task waiting. Crossword puzzle. Question. Fill in the blanks with opposites and complete the crossword. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to draw these columns in your English notebook and you have to fill the answers. Okay. So across what you have to do is, see, first question, the trunk is heavy, the bag is dash. You have to write the opposite of heavy, which has 5 alphabets. Okay, the clue is there in the bracket, which has 5 alphabets. You have to write it in the column. Next, the boy is young, the man is, you have to write the opposite of, tell me, young. Okay, the opposite of young has 3 alphabets. Okay. Next, you have to just look down. Down you have to fill. Stone is hard. The cotton is dash. The answer has 4 alphabets. You have to write the opposite of. Yeah, tell me. Hard. Yeah, opposite of hard you have to write there. Next, milk is hot. Ice cream is dash. What is the opposite of hot? You have to write there. Okay. In the blank you have to, not in the blank, but in the column you have to write. The hare is fast. The tortoise is dash. Okay. Write down the opposite of fast. Next, the boy is sad. The girl is dash. What you have to do? You have to write the opposite of sad. Is that clear for you? Okay, fine. Now you have to fill all these columns and you have to, this task number 2, you have to take the photo and along with task number 1, you have to write down the self-introduction. Then you have to give the self-introduction and you have to take the video of that. And along with these 2 tasks, you have to do the crossword puzzle and take the photo. And these 3 things you have to send to me through my Viber number. Is that clear for you? Fine. See, what was our success criteria? Do you know? It is here. I'll be successful if I'm able to give a self-introduction in at least 8 sentences. Now our success criteria is totally fulfilled. Is that clear for you? Okay.
Dear students, now the topic is very much clear to you. I know it. Okay? You know how to give a self-introduction. Fine? So, now what you have to do is stay safe, stay home and be happy. Thank you.
DPS TeleClass